Beautiful specimen. That red jig has done absolutely fantastic today. He's just on. I've got to be careful, he might come off. Beautiful baby. Just see what happened. Absolutely spewing. I had to come back into the harbour. Idiot me, I left the earmuffs on and he just chewed into the propeller. Well, look at that. That's ripped off. And it was making a metal grinding noise and I thought the gearbox was stuffed. So a bit of quick panel beating and I'll be out there. But I'm spewing. Lucky I turned back, idiot. What I'm trying to do is get rid of the chinks, but they're so big, they actually snapped off. So I'm just with a bit of concrete just to file it down a bit because they're quite jagged. Good as new. Looking good. Losing that. Oh no, bugger. You getting any? Yeah, I got out here. Got the engine fixed. This is Brian and his kid. Showing me how it's done today, huh? So you got a couple, did you?
Got a couple to start with here.
Good stuff. So we're going to just stop here and go for a bit of calamari. Just met up with some fellow subscribers there. They've already caught a couple of squid, which is great. We're using the red one, and I've got an orange one and a white one as well. Not very windy, so again, I always say this, I need to wet the jigs if I want to get any success. That didn't take long. Working the jig, a few yanks. Right, so a decent one here. Alright, I love it. I'm not going to get too excited until he's on the bite. Really nice one. Here he comes. Okay, so my red jig, I love it. It's a deep one, lovely calamari. Oh, and there's a few birds around me. I can sense there's a good spot. It just looks very calamarish. That double tip BB1 did it again. Textbook, hook up, right on the back of the head. Lovely. Love it, happy days. We'll start off to be a very bad morning with that engine. Idiot me, 2 calamari. It's in 10 minutes. Time to crack open that beer. Whoa! Woo! Now, oh, this one's a big one. Oh, son of a bitch. That was a big one. I reckon it could have been a cuttlefish. So much weight. Damn it. Yeah, nice big teeth mark. Got a slime. That was a giant. Woo. Now I'm really excited. And again, these extra heavy jigs, they really get down there. Sometimes the weed on the surface acts as a natural fad. Oh, there you go. Yes. Again, not that big. I'm surprised because they're going for the big jigs. There you go. Not that big at all, but still our intended species. Another one. He doesn't know he's hooked yet because he's not pulsating. So he's not that big, but he's a bit of weight. There you go. There's it. It's probably bait size. I'll take it. Lovely. Beautiful. Another specimen. can. I just saw the rod tip bending. Okay, now it's pulsating. Now we've got something to put on. Trying to escape. Yes. Yeah, another. Not that big, but who cares? Whoa. Okay. Beautiful. Okay. I've something decent here. I just put my rod tip down. Whoa, whoa. Okay. Yeah, he's taking line. This is what I like to see. Big ones. Yeah, they're good size. Not going to break any records. There you go. Lovely. That's the kind of size I like. Absolute pearler. Time for a beer, I reckon. What do you reckon, mate? You want a beer? I don't reckon. Cheers. Always a great joy to get that pulsating feeling at the end of your line. What have I got here? Oh, it's just on one tentacle. Careful here. And they are tiny. This time of year, I'd expect a bit bigger. Yeah, well, I won't complain with that one. Put one here. Put the GoPro down. That'll help. Yeah, let's have a look. Might get some underwater footage. Drag's too loose. Absolute mess. There he goes. Yeah, he's pretty well hooked. Doesn't know he's on yet. Right. Whoa. Now I'm really hooked up on a good one. Finally, I was just cleaning out my asky to count how many I've got. I've got 10 so far. And this one here just went off. Alright. Oh, it is just on. I can't use the net because it's full of calamari. So, yeah, lovely. Woo! Happy days. Good one. And the wind's picked up, which is always a good sign for calamari. They love extra movement. That one there, calamari of the day. Didn't I? Lovely. Woo! We're in a honey hole. I was trying to take a selfie. And this is exactly what I wanted, some really big ones. I'm still using my extra deep jigs. It's going off. Again, my net's full, so I have to land this by hand. Yeah, see this one here? No. There you go. Lovely specimen. Beautiful. Absolutely a darling. There you go. What did I tell you? No. Ah! Woo! Right. Again, good size. Good size. Yeah, I love calamari on a windy day. Calm mornings. Oh, and this one's taken off, I think. No. Go. Oh, hang on. Something happening here. This is a good one again. Good size, big size. We are further out. Oh yeah, see him now. Oh, he's really starting to give me curry. Woo! Lovely! That is a donkey. That is a really nice specimen here again. Oh, Frio. Mate, I absolutely love it. And this jig has had all the kills. Yeah. Oh, this is a big one. Whoa, he's a big one. Just realised he's hooked up. Beautiful specimen. That red jig has done absolutely fantastic today. He's just on. I've got to be careful, he might come off. Beautiful baby. There you go. Nearly squirted the camera. That would have been a second camera would have destroyed. Beautiful. Happy, happy days. Tiger of a calamari. Look at that. There he is there. Surf, he's a biggie. Woo! Yeah. He's fighting it. He's fighting it. He's got to take it easy. He's just on the one leg. Oh. Drag him a bit looser. Leave me net. It's tight. Alright, alright. Yeah, welcome aboard! Woo! Woo! It's good about these buggers, this is absolutely fantastic. Yeah! Beautiful. Big boy. Look at that. Beautiful. That's how you do it. 12, 13, 14, 15, good, that's it, game over. There you go, that's what I call a bag full of beautiful calamari. They'll definitely be used up really good. Happy days for the next couple of weeks, I reckon. And we'll see you next time. You beaut.